To turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone, you need to be able to provide your Apple ID password. So if you go to your iPhone settings, click on your profile name, tap Find My, then tap Find My iPhone, toggle off this feature. You'll be prompted to type in your Apple ID password to turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone. However, if you don't know your Apple password and you still want to turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My iPhone without password. So this is quick and easy. All you need to do is go back to your iPhone settings, tap on your profile name first, then click on Find My, tap Find My iPhone, then toggle off Find My iPhone. Once you click on that, you will be prompted to type in the Apple password associated with your iCloud account. Now tap Forgot Password. Literally, if you can remember your Apple ID password, all you need to do is tap on the toggle button at the top right. Once Apple ID can verify your password, your Find My iPhone feature will be turned on your iPhone. However, in case you can't remember your password and you want to turn on Find My iPhone on your iPhone, all you need to do is tap Forgot Password. Once you hit the Forgot Password, you'll be taken to where to type in your iPhone passcode. The passcode you use to unlock this iPhone can also be used to reset your Apple ID. Now you'll be prompted to reset your Apple ID. If you also forget your iPhone passcode, you can also click on Forgotten the passcode. But since you can remember your iPhone passcode, just go ahead now and type in your iPhone passcode. Then wait for verifying. Once that has been verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password for your Apple ID. Now go ahead now and create a new password. Now once you type in your new Apple ID password, tap on the continue button. Now hang on. You can see done. Your password has been changed. From now, please use your new password when signing into your account. Tap on the done button and you should receive an email notification from Apple that you've recently changed your Apple password. You can see turning off Find My iPhone, and that is it. Find My iPhone has been turned off. And if you go to your email address, you find a notification from Apple that Find My iPhone has been disabled. At the same time, you should also receive a notification that you recently changed your Apple ID passcode. So this, I just changed my Apple ID passcode, and then that has enabled me to be able to turn off Find My iPhone on my iPhone without my password. So if you forgot your Apple password and you want to turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone, all you need to do is follow these steps in this video. If you find this really interesting, you want to hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.